Hi there guys and girls. I am so very happy. Hold on. For today, oh my gosh, I couldn't really believe. Hold on. So let's go now to Santa Lucia for my day-to-day stints. Some accomplished things done for today. First, my tire at the back on the right side is already fixed. They already changed the hold on. I'm back, sorry. They already as I was saying, they already fixed the bolt and the nut. The second one is Cerodel and his team changed the engine. No, not the engine, sorry. The what's this? Sorry, I'm lost. Transmission fluid, and they clean it. And the third one is my gear is no longer malfunctioning. It's already back in good condition. That's why. So there's I'm so happy. And you know what? The most important thing happened for this day because I spent not too much money. From 8,100 the original price for the other shop, now it became 2,900. See that? Almost 5,000 that I had a discount that I saved. And then he asked me for a 1,000, you know, 1,000 labor for the gear. And he also assures me that whenever I'm gonna go up to a high hill or a street which is very high, so I can pass easily. So bye for now. Thank you for watching. Congratulate me.